Microsoft continues to insist that users have internet access to complete the setup of Windows 11 Home or Pro, requiring them to sign in with a Microsoft account. Previously, I showed how to bypass this restriction by using the built-in bypass nro.cmd command. However, starting with Windows 11 inside of Preview build 26200.5516, Microsoft has announced,
"We're removing the bypassro.cmd script from the build to enhance security and user experience of Windows 11. This change ensures that all users exit setup with internet connectivity and a Microsoft account."
There is still, however, another native built-in method to create a local account without internet access. As before, we're sticking to a safe and legitimate method provided by Microsoft. No shady workarounds. Windows 11 Enterprise and Education Editions are exempt from the internet requirement. Perform a clean installation of Windows as you normally would. During the out-of-box experience, OOBE, at the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, press Shift F10 to open the command prompt. Inside the command prompt, type the following command. This will launch the Create Local User app screen. Enter a username with a strong password. Select your 3 security questions and provide accurate answers, as I have done here. Click Next and let the system get things ready for you. Select your privacy options and enjoy your newly installed Windows 11 Home or Professional with your local account. During OOBE, while in the command prompt, we can create other local accounts using the net user command. Type net user username password /add. Be careful here, as the password is in clear text. To make the user an administrator, type net local group administrators username /add. You can add as many local users as you like. Finish with the
Start ms-cxh localonly
app. If you don't want to display the password using the net user command, we can use PowerShell. In the command prompt, type Start PowerShell. Use the new-local-user commandlet to create a new standard local user. Enter the password, which will now be obfuscated from view. Another word of caution, as there is no verification of the typed password. Use the Add-LocalGroupMember commandlet to make the user an administrator. Again, finish with the
Start ms-cxh localonly.
The user created is always a local administrator. Log off and notice the other user accounts listed on the log on screen. If you do not already have installation media, you can go to either the Microsoft Windows 11 download website, your Microsoft Visual Studio subscriptions website, or the Microsoft Windows Insider Program website. Media from the Microsoft Evaluation Center or your volume license typically have Windows 11 Enterprise or Education Editions, which do not require internet access. If you need to create a bootable USB drive, see my video here. It is important to note that Microsoft emphatically states,
"Features and experiences included in these builds may never get released as we try out different concepts and get feedback. Features may change over time, be removed, or replaced and never get released beyond Windows Insiders."
Therefore, it is entirely possible that the bypass nro.cmd command will remain in future final releases. Still, it is good to know that there are two native methods for creating a local account during setup. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and found it useful. If you have any feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on to others. And I thank you for watching.